Based on everything we've discussed, what exactly is considered an unauthorized repair during a ship inspection?
An unauthorized repair is any modification or repair carried out on a critical structural component or a high-risk pipeline by technicians who are not properly class certified or without following the exact procedure and parameters mentioned in the class certified welding procedure specification. Also, the repair has not been surveyed and accepted by the ship's classification society surveyor.
Thanks, Alex.